Sign said cold beer, so I pulled it there. When you start right. Come on boys, right hand style. Right side. Out of the corner. I think we're all awake now. We direct out of our way in Jamaica. Made your girl probably now. And to this day they clear all I know is I'm here. I've been seen them on TV. Heads touch quarter, right hand. Head boys run around the girl you got. Everyone's facing their corner. Everyone's looking at their corner. Start through. Do it right to the left through. Down past the ocean. Boys run right. Hit the girl. I'm in my day home. And to this day they clear all I know is I'm here. I'm a bit of sand and bones in bed. Heads touch quarter. Right hand step up, touch and turn the quarter. Head boys run right. Everybody slide through with the outside head. Make a line up to the middle of the back. Down past the ocean. Now girls in the middle. Trade girls. Swing through down the wave. Boys run right around this girl. California twirl with this girl. Promenade back home. And to this day they declare all I know is I'm here. On a bed of sand and multi-bay. Four ladies chained straight across. You turn the girl, you go. Flutter wheel back, no girls, make it a big flutter wheel. Right hand girls, pick up the opposite man, bring me back to the right. Yeah, keep the style. Out of the corner, weave the ring, no hands. Make your girl, don't you know? I'm hoping you're at home. When you're there, signs lead to the right. Circle to a line of four. Go up to the middle and come back up. 2, 3, touch border. Right hand. In your column, circulate. Boys run right around the girl you found. Slide through. Square through 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Promenade. Good walking back home on a bed of sand multi-bay. Don't forget to turn at the end of the slide through, okay? Heads touch quarter. Head boys run right. Everybody slide through. Don't forget to turn past the ocean. All the girls trade in the middle. Swing through. Boys run right with the same girl, California twirl. Promenade. And to this day they clear all I know is I'm here. On a bed of sand and multi-bay. When home, 4 ladies chained straight across. Go girls, I want to try this again. Flutter wheel back all together girls. Right hand, pick up the opposite man, bring it along, kicking and screaming. When you get back there, out of the left your corner, weave the ring, no hands. Make your girl promenade